Ano na dyan ko nam? Agor ka, kita tumapo ang pangablaaw, kat sige, agbiro ka tisunatan ng kansyonab. Wow, Ate Merla, ataman ko na, daman nagwalan ko na because they are requesting for the song Hot Legs, ijay Saudi Arabia. Oh, apo na yun, biyag ko, kuna naman ni Ading Mark Gina. And the long distance nga ayat, as requested by Mark Jun, ngayon nalpasin na po ti Ilocano, sa oras ti Ilocano, isong data yun iti laok-laok, ayan. Aha, dagiti pa'y sumarunong nga sonata, balong? Puta nagbeg ka magbiro kon.
Garod. Nagawin nga man.
Ay, kalalaingam tagbirok. Na, datang nga makabirok. Awan?
Di makabirok si ka. Muna mo makapaya na ako.
Dahito latan ba lang, ayan. Para apo ka tagiti napipintas sa pabalasan dito sulsuling. Apo pang New Year game datang nga sonata. Apay ko na. And she will bilog kung kuna na bilog o di masa bilog ti handa ti Christmas ti pas borota wandi
Bilog.
borota wandi na.
Naman ang buwan, kabilugan kami.
Ayan.
Ano?
Kuna na mo ni Kabsat Kathy kasi nung kami nga alas kuna na mo apo para kada kayo dahil nga napipintas. In fact awan ti na alas iti lubong amin tayo kat adaan iti napintas nga talugading. Talugading launay kat dahil ti nga rod mo ti sumbat ko ti takabaruan nga sonata may sa mga kadaanan. Kada iti amin apo nga online nga tumtumag kada kami. You're always on my mind. No matter what the future holds, I know you're there for me. Time is always on my side. That's how it's got to be. I try to be the kind of man you proudly call your own. Tragedy was nice as I know how. Get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. Much more do I need. My life is complete and satisfied. Honey, you're my bride. Call your own. Treated you as nice as I know how. Get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. What more do I need? Is complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind. My life's complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind.
Ano?
Ngarod karo pa kat apo kakatay ka DJ ko na bit. Nadaanan mo na apo tintay pa nagsisina kat sabi ko man ta ore pagbasit laeng apo kat naikanda kayo iti basit nga pagis-isa man yo when napabalsida kayo kat dahil iti mano yung John Serialas kadwakti kanak ni
John Mark Pastor.
kat ko nami apo wagis-iso ka tapno pumudaw ka kat ada kami tumanan apo next week dito laeng 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City with the same time and ito nga apo iti maudi nga sonata mi agor katag biro kami pa ito iti maudi nga sonata ibaay mi apo amin kada kayo. Once again, thank you very much for listening. Baby, when I met you there was peace on earth. I said I could get you with a fine tooth comb, but I was soft inside. There was something going on. You're the sun feel no pain every beat of my heart. We've got something going on. Gentle love is blind, it requires no dedication. Oh, this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together, making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one level to another.
I believe to love you, the love was gone. Everything is nothing if you got no one. And you that are walking tonight slowly losing sight of the real thing.
But that won't happen to us since we've got no doubt. Too deep to love and we got no way out. And the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry. Maybe I will hurt you never. We started and there's one. In love forever we can ride it together. Making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Sail away.
Sail away with me.
Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Once again, thank you very much for listening. Karubak, kami naman next week. At sa baron na po yung programa na Poluan. Top
Top 20
by
Countdown.
Binibining Pilipinas candidate Miss
Sam
Milby Concepcion.
Philippines.
By DJ Sam and DJ Hans.
Ano pangalan niya? Jessa Acosta.
Jessa Acosta, yes. Our candidate for Binibining Pilipinas 2018. 18. Apunto no next year. Pwede tanga sumali nga Rod.
One.
Nga Rod. Ito yung apunto orahin ni Jordan with his song. Ano tagi jay? Ayan.
97.7
Sweet!